Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're not going to be doing so much cooking as I normally do. It's going to be baking. It's kind of more of a food review, blind react, whatever you want to call it. It's some stuff my daughter gave me, wanted me to try it, so we'll get to baking and we'll show you what we got. Alright y'all, here's what we got. They're corned beef Reuben Bites. They're uncured corned beef, sauerkraut, and pasteurized processed provolone cheese fritter. They're made by Cattleman's Ranch. They come with a dipping sauce. Basically, you just bake these up and or warm them up in the oven. I'll show you what they kind of look like when they come out of the bag here. You know, that's what they look like when they come out of the bag. They actually look decent. My daughter has eaten them a bunch of times and she said I'd really like them, so she bought me a bag of them and told me to put it on my cooking videos. So we're going to do a bunch of them up here. You know what? We're just going to cook the whole frickin' bag. So, and there's the dipping sauce it comes with. So I'll figure out how you warm that up. Said to rearrange them on a single layer, so that's what we did. They bake at 400 for 20 minutes, I believe, is what it said. 15 to 20 minutes. I'll have to look back on the bag again, but as soon as the oven gets warmed up, we'll throw them in the oven, and then we'll bake them away. Alright y'all, oven's warmed up, so we're going to pop these suckers in there. I'm going to set the timer for 10-11 minutes, maybe 12. Maximum time's 12. I like to make sure stuff's done. I ain't sure my oven's quite as warm as what it should be, so we're going to put it in there for 12 minutes. Timer. There's 12. And it's automatic, so it starts automatically. So we're going to do that, and we'll bring you all back so when they're done. Alright y'all, timer just screamed at me, so let's pull these suckers out of this oven. Let's see what they look like. And it basically look like when I put them in, except for now they're sizzling. So, alright. I'm going to let them cool off a little bit. I'm going to grab a plate. We'll plate some up. We'll do a taste test. Bring you all back whenever we get to that. Alright y'all. Got the plate here. Got the dipping sauce they sent along with it. First, we got our drink of the day, which is pineapple soda. If you haven't ever tried pineapple soda, you like pineapple? Try it. It's good stuff. This is made by Crisp. I picked it up at the cheap grocery store. So, anyways, let's give one of these suckers a try. Got a dipping sauce there. That's pretty good. Yeah. Got good roast or corned beef taste there to it. I can taste the sauerkraut and the cheese. I think I would like them a little crispier. I think that's why maybe next time I'll try deep frying them. But over that, that's pretty good. Wow. Thanks, Boo. I appreciate it. She recommended them to me. So, got a little more pineapple. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I know this ain't one of the normal cooking videos where I actually make something. I said I just warmed these up, but around here lately, I've been pretty busy. It's that time of the year trying to get projects put into storage for winter, get new stuff out that I'm going to work on over the winter and stuff like that. There's been a couple of additions to the shop here. We'll be doing a video on that later. But I do appreciate you all watching, hanging out with me, checking out what I've been cooking. Guys, if you can find these, try them. So that's all for now. As always, forgot Sunday live stream. A lot of y'all been coming in. Really appreciate it. Lots of views. So keep that up. And remember, it's 7 p.m. Sunday night. Come check it out. Appreciate it. And now, as always, bon appetit.